become more than just a student organization. It is a family that learns, serves, and celebrates together. Through community events, school programs, and outreach efforts, our members gain not only skills in performance, but honestly, a deeper understanding of who they are and where they come from. Hanggang pogsay? Hanggang. I-language, usasan na earlier na ibong uli kulturautan. It tells the stories. It shapes our worldview. It gives voice of our history. When we speak Chamorro or Carolinian, we are not just using words. We are sharing generations of wisdom, courage, and resilience. Our language are the threads that ties us to our ancestors and to each other. For centuries, our people have been, we've endured waves of change. First, the colonization, the migration, and now, the modernization. Yet, our language have remained. They survived not because they were kept in books, but because they live in the hearts and voices of our people. When I think about our elders, how they speak fluently, I think of the stories that they carry, stories of the stars, the ocean, the land, and all the sufferings they endured over time. Their words are like canoes, carrying knowledge from one generation to the next. But today, we face a new challenge. I mentioned earlier, right, the colonization, migration, modernization. Today, what we're facing is not of conquest, but of silence. If our youth stop speaking Chamorro or Carolinian, our heritage will fade.